UK women arrested over alleged drug smuggling are due to appear in court in Peru to be formally charged. Michaella McCollum, from Dungannon, and Melissa Reid, from Lenzie near Glasgow, both 20, are accused of trying to smuggle 11 kilograms, 24 pounds, of cocaine. The pair were stopped while trying to board a flight to Madrid 2 weeks ago. They have maintained that they were forced by an armed gang to carry the drug, which was in their luggage when they were arrested at Lima Airport. Both women say they were forcibly recruited as drug mules by the gang while working in bars in the Spanish island of Ibiza and traveled to Peru under duress. Police said the cocaine had a street value of £1.5 million. Weekend newspaper reports. It is not yet clear if the women still intend to enter a not guilty plea in court on Tuesday. On Monday, Ms. McCollum's solicitor Peter Madden, who had traveled to Lima with Ms. McCollum's brother Keith on Friday, criticized some of the press coverage of the case. Over the weekend, some newspapers had reported on the woman's part in the Ibiza drugs scene and questioned their stories. But Mr. Madden said his client totally denies those allegations. Also over the weekend, the head of Ibiza's police investigation into drug trafficking, First Sergeant Alberto Arian Varela, cashed out on the claims that the women were coerced into trying to smuggle drugs out of Peru, saying they had several opportunities to alert the authorities. Peru's anti-drug police's lead investigator, Tito Perez, told the BBC his unit had been checking into the women's version of events by traveling to the hotels they had stayed in. Officers had also gathered video evidence from the city of Glasgow where they claimed the drug gang had taken them. The report is due to form the basis of the pre-trial hearing, which will determine what the two young women will be charged with. If refused bail, they could face up to 3 years in jail before trial. Legal experts in Peru suggest the normal charge in such a case would be of drug smuggling, which carries an average sentence of 8 to 9 years in prison. If they are accused of being members of a criminal organization, they could face harsher sentences.